Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Bose Sport Open Earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. If you're having connection issues, maybe it's not connecting to your device, it keeps dropping off, there's something wrong with the sound, maybe only one of the earbuds is working and the other one is not. Doing a hard reset will fix a lot of these problems. You'll also need to delete from any device you have it paired to, and then repair it once we do the restart. But if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and start. We can do this real quickly. All you want to do is place your buds on the charging station like this, with the earbuds facing away from each other. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the Bluetooth button on the right earbud for 10 seconds, and we'll know that it has worked when the little LED indicator will give two quick flashes. And then once we do that, we can come over to the left earbud, do the same thing, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 10 seconds, and we'll know when it has happened when the little LED indicator flashes 2 times. And then once that happens, we can remove the earbuds from the base, pair them up, and use them like they just came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.